Hey everybody, thank you so much for coming to my studio. It's always great to hang out, talk about art, and go over technique together. So today we are doing part 2 of Halle Berry, her portrait in airbrush using India ink. This is exciting. We're also using the Eclipse airbrush. And actually that wasn't the Eclipse. This is the Eclipse airbrush. And the India ink and the sketch pad paper, a little bit of pastel. So this is going to be very exciting. You're going to learn a lot from it, so definitely stay tuned. Just remember that all the products and supplies that I use are in the description field below. So you can go ahead and click on those links. They're Amazon links. So you'll be able to know exactly what supplies I'm using. You don't have to hunt around at the art store or the internet. So that's great. These are affiliate links. So I do get a tiny commission, but you help out the channel. So it's a win-win situation. So if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hitting that subscribe button will let me know I'm doing a good job. You'll also be alerted every time a new video comes out. Remember, I do video demonstrations in airbrush, in drawing, pastel, also tech gear for artists. So it's really great to subscribe to this channel and the little bell icon. If you see that bell icon, click it. You'll just receive alerts when new videos come out, so you won't miss any of the demonstrations. I do a lot of part 1, part 2, part 3 series, so it's definitely in your benefit to go ahead and be part of the channel and the subscriptions. So thank you so much for coming to my studio. It's always great to hang out. I always love talking and sharing technique with you guys. I hope you have a great week. Don't forget, next week there's going to be a new video. I also have a blog, and you'll see that down below. Also, you can go ahead and see my live stream on YouTube and Facebook. I think it's Wednesday nights, 9 o'clock Eastern. I'll go over different things such as airbrush and drawing, so don't miss that. So I really hope you have a great week. Take care of yourselves. Bye.